Shifaka lemurs in one of the hottest and driest places in Madagascar. The trees provide some shade and a little relief from the burning sun. Temperatures that can exceed 45 degrees, the heat up here soon becomes unbearable, especially for the babies. But Shifaka have an unusual and clever way to cool down, if only they can find the right tree. And once they have, they hug it. The Salvadora tree is one of their favourites. These trees draw up cool water from deep below ground, so their trunks are a few degrees cooler than everything else around. At the hottest time of day, some embraces can last for over 4